Theodore! Saturn, voiced by Fedor, staring Jupiter. Sun, ha ha, Mars and Pluto, mischievous Mars. I'm mischievous Mars. I love mischievous Mars. Come in. I'm watching mischievous Mars. Oh, 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 oh! Jumper! You are too young to be watching mischievous Mars. That's it. You are grounded for 3 weeks. Go to your room right now. And season 15. Today's episode is Jupiter misbehaves in chemistry classes. Okay, class. Today we are going to be doing chemistry. Whatever you do, don't mix the chemicals, because if you do, something really bad could happen. I am going to mix the chemicals together. Ha, 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 ha. Yay, 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 yay. I blew up the Milky Way. Yay, 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 yay. Well, this spaceship is kind of cool. Let's watch the news. So, according to today's news, the Milky Way suddenly exploded. There have been reports of some injuries, but no reports of any deaths. So we can see one doctor that just had to remove Saturn's rings. And then we have another doctor who just bandaged Earth's arm. And we also zoom into another doctor who just put a bandage on Miss Beetlejuice's leg. And we have Mr. Holt telling police reports. And we have evidence of who could be responsible for this explosion. So you see, this planet here is brown with gray stripes. If you see him, call 911 immediately. Oh, 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 oh! Jupiter! I cannot believe that you literally made an explosion. That's it. You are grounded for a whole month. Now go to sleep right now.